Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows update error 0x800703f9. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Check my video description for two commands guys. Copy the first command. Tap the bar, right click, eject, paste, press enter guys. Being verification base of system scan verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait guys. After finishing this verification 100%, go and copy the next command guys. Copy the next command, copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject, paste, press enter. This percentage need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.